Boom, baby. The whale crew is cashing our shorts. We've been shorting the 3900. It breaks. We're taking the bread, getting it. Come on and get it where you can get it. It's the only place of CryptoFace. Just had to shout it out. Just had to say it. Let's go ahead and check here, if you want to know what it's like to be in the, let's see here, boom. This is what it's like to be in the whale crew donations. Boom, short entries, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so the proof's in the pudding. The pudding's tasting good, and I don't care what anybody else says. No one gets it like us. Guaranteed. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Things are playing out like we thought they were going to play out. We short the tops. Especially when we just, I mean, come on, folks. We've been spelling it out. We've been spelling it out. Called it out. Ringing it in. Turning around. And I'm going to start watching. I'm having a good time. I got a nice night planned out. We got some UFC fights. We got some hot chicks coming over. So life is good, baby. Life is good. Shout out to the whale crew. Come and get it. Scroll down if you want to be a part of this crew. If you want to be a better trader and change your life, this is the place to do it. Shout out to the whale crew, baby.